It's here. It's here, you guys. My Happy Crafters mystery box for April is here, and this is supposed to be an awesome box full of HTV, heat transfer vinyl or iron-on. If you use CRICUT, which I love my CRICUT, I love my CRICUT mystery boxes too, but I'm so excited. This is my first Happy Crafters mystery box that I've ordered, and I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. The description said that there was supposed to be 20 sheets of vinyl as well as about 30 feet worth. So I'm super excited. I don't know what's included in here, but I'm very excited to show it with you, to share it with you guys. If you're interested in buying it, I'm pretty sure that it's sold out now. But if it's not, I will link to it in the description. It was $35, and for the amount of heat transfer vinyl, 30 feet, I mean, this is completely worth it for me. Even though I don't know what colors are included, people always ask me if mystery boxes are worth it. For 30 feet of heat transfer vinyl for $35, yes, it is totally worth it for me to take a risk on this. Whatever the colors are, I know that I will figure out a way to use them. If you have a craft business, you will definitely figure out a way to monetize whatever materials it is that you get. So don't hesitate to order from them. Again, if the box is still available, I will share the link down in the description. I am an affiliate for Happy Crafters, just full disclosure there. So if you did order using my link, I do get a small commission for referring you to it, but I would never refer something that I don't use myself, that I didn't pay for myself, and that I don't love myself. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, this is from happycrafters.com. I love the box. Don't worry, be crafty, and one lucky crafter. I mean, this is seriously what Happy Mail is all about, you guys. So let's get started. I had already untaped the box from the bottom because it was pretty well taped in there. And it did say in the description that there would be an extra crafty thing. And it looks like, just by the looks of it, that it is some craft planks. So it looks like I got two can coolers or koozies. And they're in orange, which I love because, you know, baseball season is starting, and my husband and I, we are huge Houston baseball fans, and I just know that I will be able to come up with something to put on these. So I love these. I'm very, very thankful to get blanks. I never say no to getting free blanks, and this is awesome. So, and it looks like this is a tote bag, which is perfect. I already know what design I'm going to put on this just by looking at it. I created a file that says blessed and crafting obsessed. I will link to it and in the description as well if you guys want to check it out. I think it's going to go perfect on this tote bag, and once I create it, I will share it in my social media. So let's get started. So it looks like this is the vinyl. So this is the iron-on that we got, and it looks like there's a lot to go through here. So I am going to pull it out, and then I will place it right here on the side for you guys, and then we will go through it and talk about it in the end, okay? So it looks like the first sheet that I got is yellow, and it's this really good, like, sunshine yellow almost. I love this. This is probably a 9x18 sheet. So it's a good size, definitely. And then we got sky blue or baby blue. Also really good for baby projects and boy projects. And then this is definitely flock. It is thick. It is not glitter. It is flock. So I'm very excited. I always use red flock during the holidays for like Christmas projects, pillows, ornaments, stockings, kitchen towels, and such. There's always something to use flock for. And oh my goodness, I just can't even right now. I can't even believe I just said that. This is gold, rose gold. The camera does not do this justice, you guys. This is wonderful. And this looks like it's almost a full sheet. I'm pretty sure that this is 12 by, if not 12, 12 by 15 maybe. So I'm very, very thankful. I did not expect this. This is a wonderful surprise. And oh my gosh, rose gold glitter. You guys, I think I'm going to use this for myself for a Mother's Day project. I also have a file that I want to make for myself. I'll be sharing that as well, but it says, when I open my mouth, my mother comes out. Totally my mom and I needed that shirt. It's totally for us. And then it looks like this is a silver glitter. Also a huge full sheet. I'm always excited to get glitter. I have 2 girls and I make a lot of things with glitter all the time. So very happy for that. And then we have some lavender. Also love it. These are all wonderful for spring projects, you guys. Neon pink. This is wonderful. This is probably some of my favorite stuff, all of the neon colors. I love the neon colors. I use them a lot, actually. I love neon. My kids love neon. Everybody loves neon. Let's see here. Then we got brown. Always a good color to have. Perfect for the fall. Navy blue, one of my favorites. This will go great. I'm sure that you can imagine what team I like if we're in Houston. Navy blue and orange. Perfect. Neon green. Oh my gosh, this is going to be awesome. Come Halloween time, that neon green is going to get used up. And then we have red flock or pink. This could be the same as the other one, or one of them could be pink or red. I just can't tell right now, but it's definitely flock. And in either color, I will take it. And then I have blue. Now, I gotta say, I'm not a fan of this blue, but it's mostly because I just don't know what I would use it with. But I will figure something out. Then we have this dark green. This is good for Christmas trees and a lot of that stuff during the holidays as well. Now this is royal blue. I will most definitely use this. Definitely. I have some nephews. This could be used for baseball projects. All kinds of stuff with this blue. Then we got the neon yellow, yellowish green. I think that they included almost one of every neon. The only one I haven't seen is orange, but maybe it's in there as well. I love the neon colors. I'm very excited to have those. Oh, speaking of which, neon orange, you guys. We might have all of the neons included in here. And then we got this green. This is not a neon green. This is just a green. We got red. Love the red. And then we got, lastly, a full sheet of pink, or the magenta. So I'm pretty sure that in the mystery boxes, not everybody gets the same products, but there should definitely at least be 20 sheets. The crafty gift in advance, or that comes with it, like the koozies and the tote bag. And then there should be, several different kinds of heat transfer vinyls. Like I got regular, this looks like either the Happy Crafters brand or Caesar vinyl. We got some flock, we got some glitter, gold foil. I mean, seriously, what more could I ask for here? I am so excited to get started with this. If you guys have a craft business, once again, these boxes are perfect because I could think of a ton of projects that I can make with this. Come back to school time, you can do name tags, that you can sell of iron on, and you could probably get a ton of names in just one sheet. And then obviously, even if you just sold each name for $1 or $2, it would be worth it. So I might do another video. I don't know if you guys are interested. Leave me a comment below talking about things that you can do with smaller sheets of vinyl or even with scraps. I have a ton of ideas, ways to monetize those extras that we get, and even random stuff like this. This is not even that random, honestly. These are all colors that I know that I will use. I'm very excited that I paid the $35 for this, and actually with Happy Crafters, you can save up points that you can then cash out after every purchase. They give you some points, and then they always have sales as well. I'm pretty positive that when I bought this, there was a 10% off. But I think that expired a few days ago. Again, I don't know if this box is still available, but if it is, I will link to it in the description. And definitely go get it if it's there. I will be doing more unboxings for mystery boxes that I get. in the future. So please leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for me, I'm always happy to help. Again, I will link down below to the box if needed, to the Happy Crafters website for sure. They always have great deals of vinyl there, and to the designs that I mentioned, the Mother's Day one, and then the one that I want to put on the tote bag that says Blessed and Crafting Obsessed. I know that you guys would just love that. And again, if you guys like this and would like to see more videos like this, please give my channel a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I will talk to you guys later. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I am just beyond excited for the rose gold, my favorite. All right, well, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.